Let's see what you got from Santa, buddy.
How about this one? Santa. Oh, good grip. Good job. Get your finger in it. There you go. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Hello there. He's talking.
It said hello there when you opened it.
He did. And his bib is not soaking up the drool. It's sliding off the bib onto the present.
With waterproof bibs, right?
Yeah. Look, bud. It's a book.
Oh, that's a good book for you. You can chew on it.
You can chew on it. You can grab the pages. Let's go out to play. It talks to you.
Oh, there's a big smile.
Oh. Let's go out to play. Nice. Let's go out to play. It's a sunny day. It reads to you. Oh, that's cool. Push the button. Hello there. Oh, I think he likes it, Dad.
He's smiling quite a bit. Santa did a good job with that one.
Oh, that's smart Santa. You want to see what else Santa brought? And then Daddy will take this out after we're done opening?
Yeah. Why don't you slide that over to Dad? And you keep opening presents, little guy.
Alright.
Santa didn't get you no clothes.
There you go, yeah, no clothes.
No clothes.
Not
Toys.
here.
Yeah. You got
Okay.
90 years ahead of you with clothes. You're going to get toys this year.
What could this be? You like this box?
Snowman.
Let's see. I'll start on the side. You got something you can grab onto there. Oh, that is paper. You want Mom to do all the work for you? He's like waiting. I'm like, okay, Mom.
It's just easier when you do it. What could it be?
Should we show Dad?
What did Santa bring you?
It's a food grinder and food pacifier, so you can try fresh food.
Oh, very nice.
Cool.
That was a neat gift, Santa.
Isn't that neat? You're gonna eat all sorts of things now. Yeah. Alright, the one from Mom or the one from Dad?
The one from Mom.
Okay. Here you go, buddy. This one's from Mommy. Mommy picked it up special for you. No help from Santa. Here you go. Oh. Here. I'm going to keep it for later.
What could it be? Is it baby's first Xbox game? Huh? Doesn't look like an Xbox game.
Look, bud.
Look it. It's a
Santa
movie.
Claus is coming to town.
Your first movie.
This is Mom's favorite Christmas movie when she was little.
Does it taste good?
I'm gonna